learn how to install the power supply in the CPU cabinet and connect it to the motherboard only. Next tutorial will target the connections of the power supply with other devices. Make sure you use an anti-static strap or ground yourself to avoid damage to the components. Find the location in the CPU cabinet from where you can attach the power cable. Accordingly, place the power supply in the CPU cabinet. We will now screw the power supply. Please use the screws that come with the power supply in order to avoid any problems. Once the power supply is screwed, we need to use the 24 or 20 pin connector and connect it to the 24 or 20 pin power supply header on the motherboard. If you have a 24 pin power supply connector and 20 pin power supply header, then don't worry, the 4 pins will hang around as extra pins. Next, we need to connect the 4-pin connector. New motherboards may have two 4-pin connectors. So you need to connect two 4-pin connectors if you have the new motherboard. Once this is done, we have successfully installed power supply. That's it with this tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. Please rate, comment, subscribe and visit techbarrack.com.